got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. 16 and
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Leah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle end. Welcome back to another video, okay? So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, we will be talking about swing trading versus day trading within the Robinhood app. But y'all see this background? I'm kind of tired of it. Let's switch it up.
DJ Keyway, you're a genius.
Alright you guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and I switched up the location. Got tired of the, little white background. So today's video we'll be discussing the difference and the pros and cons between day trading and swing trading using the Robinhood app. So the first question you might want to go ahead and ask yourself is, why would one want to day trade and why would one want to swing trade? So first, let's explain what each is. Day trading is kind of self-explanatory. Day trading is basically doing multiple stock exchanges, meaning buying and selling within the same day, okay? Now for swing trading is buying and selling a certain stock within the course of 1, 2, maybe 3 days, okay? And I know what you're thinking. Well, if you want to day trade, you're probably not going to lean towards the swing trading. However, through Robinhood, the only way that you could go ahead and day trade is if you have a total of $25,000 in your account. To go over the pros and cons of day trading versus swing trading. Okay, so a few pros that you're going to face just basically within both is that the possibilities of making a lot of money within short periods of time. Obviously for day trading, it's going to be quicker. As for swing trading, it's going to take a little bit longer just because of the fact that you're going to be buying and selling within a few days, meaning you're not going to make your money for a few days, but the possibility of making money with both of these is there. And the cons for both is basically the same. There is a huge possibility of losing just as much, if not more, that you made within those same few days, okay? With that being noted, just make sure that you're smart with what you buy and how you go about this, all right? You guys, so on the grand scale of everything, I would suggest that if you don't have a lot of money but you still want to start straight trading in one of these ways, start off with swing trading. Go ahead, throw in $100, $200 and start building up your principal. Snowball your principal until you get to the point where you have enough money accumulated or gained so you can go ahead and start day trading, okay? On top of this, you're probably going to learn how to identify stocks, short-term and long-term. You're going to probably learn everything you need to learn and possibly lose a whole lot less money than you would if you just went ahead and jumped right into day trading. That is my advice. You can go ahead and take it however you like to take it. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you go ahead and like this video up, okay? Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. We are so close to 200 subs. Continue running that up. See if we get hit by the end of the summer. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Leah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.